Imagine waking up in the morning, opening your eyes, and seeing the world in perfect clarity again. No blurry letters, no dim colors, no struggle to focus. What if I told you that just for simple snacks before bed could help seniors restore sharper and brighter vision overnight? This video will uncover the foods that work like natural fuel for your eyes and could transform the way you see the world every single morning. Welcome, dear friends, respected seniors, and everyone searching for natural ways to stay healthy and strong. I honor you for clicking on this video and investing time in your health. May you always be blessed with strength, peace, and happiness. I truly believe that small choices each day can bring you closer to the life you dream of. Today is your chance to discover a simple habit that could make your eyes feel years younger. I know many of you dream of enjoying your golden years with freedom, independence, and the ability to see your loved ones clearly without struggle. Let me remind you that your dream is possible. You are not too old. You are not too late. As long as you are breathing, your body has the power to heal, and your spirit has the power to keep moving forward. Today I invite you to listen closely and take this step toward clearer vision. Before we begin, make sure to stay with me until the end of this video because I will reveal the exact 4 snacks that can support your eyesight overnight. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share this with someone you care about. Together, we can build a community of strong, healthy, and vibrant seniors who live life to the fullest every single day. Vision decline is one of the most common challenges seniors face, but what most people do not realize is that food has the power to repair, protect, and even restore eye health naturally. Certain nutrients like lutein, vitamin A, omega-3, and antioxidants act like shields that guard your eyes against aging. Tonight, before bed, you can give your eyes the fuel they need to repair while you sleep. Let us dive into these 4 powerful snacks one by one. The first snack is a handful of almonds. They may look simple, but almonds are packed with vitamin E, a nutrient that protects your eye cells from damage caused by free radicals. Just a small serving before bed helps your body repair tissues while you rest, reducing the risk of age-related vision decline. Imagine your eyes waking up refreshed, nourished, and more focused, all because of a simple handful of almonds at night. The second snack is blueberries. These little berries are bursting with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest enemies of sharp vision. Blueberries also improve blood circulation, ensuring your eyes receive the oxygen and nutrients they need. Eating a small bowl of blueberries before sleep can help reduce tired eyes, improve night vision, and even enhance clarity by morning. Nature truly designed them as eye-protecting gems. If this information is inspiring you, pause for a moment and give yourself a smile. You are investing in your health, and that is the greatest gift. Do not forget to tap the like button and comment below where you are watching from. Let us know your age and your dream for your health, so we can encourage each other. Remember, you are never alone on this journey. Together, we are stronger. The third snack is carrots. This may sound familiar because carrots are famous for eye health. But what makes them powerful at night is their high content of beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for low-light vision, reducing night blindness, and keeping your eyes moist and strong. Eating carrots before bed helps your eyes repair and prepare for the challenges of the next day. The fourth snack is walnuts. These crunchy nuts are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which strengthen the tiny blood vessels in your eyes and protect against dryness. They also reduce inflammation that often contributes to blurry vision. Eating a few walnuts before bedtime allows your body to absorb these healthy fats while you sleep, helping you wake up with eyes that feel refreshed, strong, and clear. Now imagine combining these 4 simple snacks: almonds, blueberries, carrots, and walnuts. Each one brings a different nutrient that supports your eyes, and together they form a natural shield that works while you rest. By the time you wake up, your eyes feel lighter, sharper, and more alive. This is not magic, it is science, and it is available for you starting tonight. I want you to picture yourself waking up tomorrow morning, opening your eyes, and seeing your room more clearly than you did yesterday. The small words on your phone, the colors of the sunrise, the smiles of your loved ones, all of this can become easier and brighter because you gave your eyes the nutrition they needed before bed. Small habits bring big results. This is your opportunity. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss our next health tips for seniors. We create these videos to support you in living your best years with strength, joy, and confidence. Share this video with someone you love, because sometimes one simple tip can change a life. Research shows that seniors who consume foods rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, and omega-3 fatty acids experience slower vision decline and better overall eye health. Your body repairs itself most effectively while you are sleeping, which is why bedtime is the perfect moment to provide your eyes with the nutrients they need. This is why these 4 snacks are not just delicious, they are powerful medicine from nature. Do not underestimate what these foods can do. Over weeks of consistent use, you may notice reading becomes easier. Watching television feels clearer, and walking outdoors feels safer because your eyes can see more details. Imagine gaining back that confidence and independence, simply by enjoying 4 natural snacks each night before bed. Dear seniors, you are strong, you are worthy, and you are capable of living with health and clarity. Never believe that aging means giving up. Instead, let it mean growing wiser, stronger, and more intentional with your choices. These 4 snacks are your nightly gift to your future self. Choose them, enjoy them, and allow your body to show you what it can still achieve. Thank you for staying until the end of this video. I truly appreciate your time and your trust. Remember to like, subscribe, and share this message so more seniors can discover the secret to clearer vision. May your eyes shine bright, may your body feel strong, and may your heart be full of peace. Until next time, stay motivated, stay healthy, and keep believing in the best years ahead of you.